Hi guys, I'm Pontsarn in the Crossing in South Wales with 15250 channel. Green. There we go now. Hold on. There we go now. Time is 09:59 on Saturday, the 4th of August 2018. I don't know what this is for, but this might be for this might be for the 10 o'clock. Hold on. Okay, it's for the 10 o'clock, 1 Bravo, 10 o'clock, 1 Bravo, Tango Austin Railway service from London Paddington to Swansea. Whoa, this is slow. Oh. And also the 10:01, 2 Gold 56 for River Chase Rail service from my sector shop, never Spa. God, double stay. N022. Enter 022 008 to Swansea. We're double staying. 158833. 158833 to Tottenham Spa, and up they go. Thanks guys, in the next video.